Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Garlic Press. The Zule Kitchen Premium Garlic Press is a standout choice for anyone who frequently incorporates fresh garlic into their cooking. Crafted from durable zinc alloy and featuring a sleek nickel plating, this garlic press not only boasts a stylish silver finish, but is also designed for longevity and resilience. Weighing in at a comfortable 8.4 ounces, its balance is just right for effortless crushing. In terms of maintenance, the Zule Kitchen Premium Garlic Press excels as it is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after a busy cooking session. The user feedback is overwhelmingly positive, with an impressive average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 24,000 customers. This suggests that the product consistently meets or exceeds user expectations, affirming its reliability and effectiveness. One of the key highlights of this product is its ergonomic rubber handle, which provides a secure grip, allowing users to easily apply the necessary pressure without straining their hands. Measuring at 6.7 inches in length and 1.6 inches in width, the garlic press is compact enough to fit in any kitchen drawer while still being practical for daily use. Napkin Holder for Table. The Napkin Holder for Table by Hiwafifi is a practical addition to any dining setting, beautifully merging functionality with stylish design. With its rustic yet modern aesthetic, it fits seamlessly into both casual and formal environments, making it a versatile choice for various occasions. Crafted from durable iron and finished in an elegant black color, this napkin holder boasts a solid and robust construction. The dimensions of 7.1 inches in diameter and a height of 2.5 inches provide ample space for holding napkins securely without taking up excessive table real estate. At just 0.44 kilograms, 15.5 ounces, it is lightweight enough to be easily moved, yet substantial enough to stay stable, ensuring it won't tip over easily when in use. Customer feedback reflects a high satisfaction rate, with an impressive average rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 1,000 reviewers. This highlights the reliability and appeal of the product. It ranks notably at number 2 in its category of napkin holders, indicating its popularity among consumers in the kitchen and dining sector. Ninja BL610 Professional Blender. The Ninja BL610 Professional 72-aughts countertop blender stands out in the crowded market of kitchen appliances with its robust design and powerful capabilities. Functioning at 1,000 watts, this blender is engineered to handle a variety of tasks, from mixing and blending to crushing ice and pureeing ingredients. The large 72-ounce capacity is perfect for families or those who enjoy entertaining, allowing multiple servings to be prepared in one go. One of the standout features of the Ninja BL610 is its total crushing technology, which utilizes stainless steel blades designed to create a smooth blend in seconds. This is particularly effective for creating frozen drinks, smoothies, and even soups. The device offers 4 distinct speed settings, giving users the flexibility to achieve the desired consistency based on the type of ingredients being processed. This blender is remarkably lightweight, weighing in at just 7.1 pounds, making it easy to handle and store. The push-button controls are intuitive and allow for seamless operation, even for those new to blending. Additionally, the unit is BPA-free, ensuring that the materials are safe for food preparation. Coffee Maker. The Keurig K-Classic Single-Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker delivers a reliable and efficient brewing experience suitable for a broad audience. With its sleek black exterior and compact dimensions of 9.8 by 13H, it seamlessly fits into various kitchen spaces without taking up too much counter space. This coffee maker boasts a fully automatic operation, making it incredibly easy to use. The programmable features allow users to brew coffee at their convenience, while the removable water tank simplifies refilling and cleaning processes. The auto clean function is particularly useful for maintenance, ensuring that the machine stays in optimal condition with minimal effort. Designed for versatility, The K-Classic can brew a ThermoPro TP03B digital meat thermometer. The ThermoPro TP03B digital meat thermometer is a reliable tool for perfectly cooked meals every time. With an ultra-fast response time of 3 to 5 seconds, it provides accurate temperature readings to +0.9 degrees Fahrenheit. The foldable stainless steel probe makes it easy to store and use while ensuring durability and hygiene. Its wide temperature range, -58 degrees to 572 degrees, suits a variety of cooking needs, from grilling steaks to baking bread. The large backlit display offers clear readings, even in dim lighting. Designed with a magnetic back and hanging hole, it's convenient to store on a fridge or hook. The thermometer automatically powers off after 10 minutes to conserve battery life. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for indoor and outdoor cooking. Perfect for grilling, roasting, or candy making, it ensures precision and safety. Upgrade your kitchen with the ThermoPro TP3B digital meat thermometer. Bamboo wood cutting board. The wooden cutting boards for kitchen meal prep serving are a versatile and eco-friendly addition to any kitchen. Crafted from durable bamboo wood, this set includes multiple sizes to handle all your slicing, dicing, and serving needs. Bamboo is naturally resistant to scratches and stains, making these boards both long-lasting and easy to maintain. The smooth surface is gentle on knives, preserving their sharpness over time. Designed with built-in juice grooves, they catch excess liquids to keep your workspace clean. These boards double as elegant serving platters for cheese, charcuterie, or appetizers. Lightweight yet sturdy, they're easy to handle and store. The non-toxic, BPA-free material ensures safe food preparation. Their natural finish adds a touch of rustic charm to your kitchen. Upgrade your cooking experience with this practical and stylish bamboo cutting board set. Warming mat. The warming mat for food keeps your dishes perfectly warm for hours, making it ideal for gatherings and meals. This electric warming tray features an even heating surface to maintain food temperature without burning. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to use and store when not in use. The durable, heat-resistant design ensures safe and reliable performance. Perfect for buffets, parties, or everyday meals, it's a convenient solution for warm, delicious food. Yaramate olive oil dispenser. The Yaramate oil sprayer for cooking is a versatile 2-in-1 olive oil dispenser designed for healthy and efficient meal preparation. Its dual functionality allows you to spray or pour oil with precision, making it perfect for cooking, baking, or grilling. Crafted from high-quality food-grade materials, it ensures safety and durability. The transparent bottle lets you easily monitor oil levels and prevent waste. The ergonomic, leak-proof design ensures mess-free use and a secure grip during handling. Its adjustable nozzle provides fine misting for even application or controlled pouring for larger amounts. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for both kitchen use and outdoor barbecues. Easy to clean and refill, it offers hassle-free maintenance. This multi-purpose dispenser is suitable for olive oil, vinegar, or other liquid seasonings. Elevate your cooking experience with the convenient and stylish Yaramate oil sprayer. Zule Fruit Infuser Water Bottle. The Zule Fruit Infuser Water Bottle is an exceptional blend of practicality and style, catering to those who appreciate hydration with a flavorful twist. Constructed from durable tritan material, this bottle stands out with its sleek jet black finish, offering both aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a capacity of 34 ounces, it strikes an ideal balance for those on the go, whether traveling, hiking, or engaging in fitness activities. This water bottle is designed for easy use, featuring a built-in infuser that allows you to enhance your water with fresh fruits, herbs, or vegetables. This unique feature not only encourages healthier hydration habits, but also enables users to explore a variety of flavor combinations, making drinking water a more enjoyable experience. The infuser component is easy to assemble and disassemble, ensuring a hassle-free cleaning process, although hand washing is recommended to maintain its quality.